SCCM 2409 Upgrade Guide. Welcome to the SCCM 2409 Upgrade tutorial that covers all you need to know about updating your existing SCCM servers to version 2409. On November 29, 2024, Microsoft released SCCM 2409. It's the second and final current branch release of the year 2024. Subsequently, in the year 2025, current branch versions 2503 and 2509 will be released. Starting December 16, 2024, SCCM version 2409 is globally available for all customers to install. The SCCM 2409 update should be available in the console for installation. You don't have to run the opt-in script anymore. Installing the previous hotfixes. Most administrators want to know if they should install all the existing hotfixes before upgrading to version 2409. The short answer is a no. That's because the new SCCM 2409 release will contain all previously issued hotfixes for Configuration Manager. Windows ADK support for SCCM 2409. SCCM 2409 supports both the latest versions of the Windows 10 ADK and the Windows 11 ADK. Older versions of ADK on your SCCM server should be upgraded to the latest versions before upgrading to version 2409. Run prerequisite check. Before you perform the SCCM 2409 upgrade, run the prerequisite check. The prerequisite check will determine if the update can be installed without any issues. Here's how you run a prerequisite check for the 2409 update. Launch the Configuration Manager console. Navigate to the Administration node and select Updates and Servicing. In the top ribbon, select Run Prerequisite Check. Wait for the prerequisite check to complete. If there are any errors, fix them before performing the upgrade. Perform SCCM 2409 upgrade. Let's start the Configuration Manager 2409 upgrade. Navigate to Administration Updates and Servicing. Right-click the Configuration Manager 2409 update and select Install Update Pack. On the General page, you can enable the checkbox to ignore the prerequisite check warnings and click Next. On the Features tab, check the boxes for the new features you want to enable during the upgrade. If you wish to do it later, click Next. For client update options, select the desired option for updating the clients in your hierarchy. Click Next. Accept the license terms for installing the update and click Next. If you have already enabled and configured Cloud Attach with Intune, you will see an option to upload the Microsoft Defender for endpoint data for reporting on devices uploaded to Intune. Click Next. On the Summary page, click Next. On the Completion window, click Close the Configuration Manager Updates wizard. Monitor the Configuration Manager 2409 upgrade. To monitor the SCCM 2409 upgrade, go to the Monitoring workspace and click Updates and Servicing Status. Right-click the Configuration Manager 2409 update and select Show Status. Here you can see how the upgrade is progressing. You can also monitor the upgrade procedure by reviewing the cmupdate.log file located on the site server. The upgrade normally takes around 40 to 50 minutes to complete. During the upgrade, do not make any changes on the server. Upgrading the console. To upgrade the Configuration Manager console, refresh the console or relaunch it. On the console upgrade box, click OK and complete the process. Verify the upgrade. In the top left corner of the console, click on the drop-down arrow near the Home button and select About Configuration Manager. Here we see the Configuration Manager version shows as 2409. The build number is updated to 9132 and the console version is 5.2409.1183.1000. This confirms that our Configuration Manager server is updated to version 2409. Upgrading clients. To automatically update the clients, go to Site Hierarchy Settings. Under the Client Upgrade tab, enable the upgrade and configure the duration. Click Apply and OK. That completes the tutorial for SCCM 2409 upgrade. Like this video, and for more such videos, consider subscribing to the channel.